How to message on TikTok under 16. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can send messages if TikTok is not allowing you to send messages because you are not appropriate or you are under 16. So in order to change that fact, we just need to follow some steps. So before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your TikTok and make sure you're logged in. So if TikTok is not allowing you due to your age to text others, so what you can do is just simply go to the menu bar here after going to your profile and tap on settings and privacy. After going to your settings and privacy, just go to your accounts and here go to account information. And here you should be able to see a date of birth option. So just tap on that date of birth option if it is available in your region and change the date and change your birth date and make your age over 18 in order for TikTok to make it convenient for you to give access to message others. So otherwise you may just go to the associated email address and just change the birth of date there as well, and TikTok should allow you to message other people on TikTok. So just get back and go to messages and tap on the person or friend that you want to send messages to and send the text. If that doesn't work, just restart your app for once and that should do for you. So in this method you can message on TikTok if you're under 16. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.